Okay, this is the data transfer program that captures the specular microscope. Okay, just focus. Okay, this has to be on the screen for the specular microscope to transfer over so you can get the image. So let's go back to the specular microscope. What we're going to do here is once you get the image set up and you got the left and right, you hit the export button. So you hit the export button there. Okay, and then it brings this up, and then you say export. It's also going to tell you have to put some kind of ID number in there. So you can put their number from their file in OD-Link. So you hit export, and now it's transmitting the data. Now we're going to go back over to the screen, and if you catch it, you'll see it's actually loading files. Once it's done, you can now go over, minimize the screen a little bit here. Trying to do this through the camera. Okay, so we'll drop it down, and you'll see there's a folder on the screen that says EM3000. Okay, that's the same as the device name, EM3000, and there's EM3000 right there. Okay, if you double click that, you will find a picture file right there. Now, these picture files are the image from the specular microscope. So that was the first one that I did, and when we're done, we should get into the habit, as soon as you put it in the patient record, delete it so that it's not there, so you're not confused by it. Okay? So now that image is there, get it out of the way, and bring up the patient record information. So we want to bring this back up. And so whatever patient you were on, now I put me up here so I can use me as an example. So you bring up the patient record, and you go into their super container, and in there, if this comes up, definitely say run. Always trust. I have to say this so it always does it. Okay, if it comes up, just say run. Don't worry about it. Now, once that's there, you go to the button here that says drop. You click it, and a window opens. Now, if you go back over to your file over here, you grab this image, you drag it over into this box, let go, and there's your file. Label it, this is both eyes, so you can label it OU, and then you just put in specular, so we know it's a specular image. Specular. And now, once you've done that and close it, it's in the patient record permanently. So if Dr. Cassell or the other doctors want to see it, they just click on this, and it comes up for them right on the screen. You do not have to print it anymore. And there it is, and it stays in their record permanently. Okay?